Understanding Colombia's climate. Colombia experiences a humid subtropical climate with hot, humid summers and mild to cool winters. Seasonal weather patterns bring heavy rainfall, occasional strong winds, and significant humidity year-round. These environmental factors directly impact how well windows perform over time, making climate-aware choices essential for energy efficiency, comfort, and durability. Heat and humidity considerations. Long, warm summers mean windows must handle both intense solar heat and persistent moisture in the air. High humidity can cause wooden frames to swell, warp, or rot if they're not properly sealed or treated. Vinyl and fiberglass frames resist moisture better, making them popular choices for longevity. Low emissivity, low-E, glass coatings also help block heat transfer, keeping interiors cooler while reducing the strain on air conditioning systems. Protection against rain and storms. Colombia's frequent rainfall, especially during summer thunderstorms, makes water resistance a top priority. Well-designed windows feature durable weather stripping, tight seals, and proper drainage channels to prevent water intrusion. Impact-resistant glass and reinforced frames offer added protection during severe storms, helping to keep interiors safe and dry even in heavy wind-driven rain. Seasonal temperature shifts. While winters are relatively mild, occasional cold snaps can still bring low temperatures that test a window's insulating power. Double or triple pane glass with gas fills like argon or krypton reduces heat loss and minimizes drafts. High-quality frames with thermal breaks further enhance insulation, helping to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures year-round. Energy efficiency demands. With air conditioning running much of the year, energy-efficient windows are not just a luxury, they're a necessity in Colombia. Energy Star-rated products with low-E glass, insulated frames, and tight seals help reduce cooling costs while improving indoor comfort. By minimizing heat gain in summer and heat loss in winter, these designs support both cost savings and environmental responsibility. Material choices for Colombia homes. Vinyl. Affordable, low maintenance, and resistant to moisture, making it a strong choice for humid climates. Fiberglass. Extremely durable, weather-resistant, and stable in temperature swings, though generally more expensive. Wood, clad or treated, offers a classic look but must be well sealed and maintained to handle humidity. Aluminum. Strong and slim frame but requires thermal breaks to prevent heat transfer. Design features that work. Best homeowners in Colombia often opt for awning or casement windows. Provide a tight seal against wind and rain. Double-hung windows. Allow flexible ventilation while keeping out rain during light showers. Tinted or low-E glass. Reduces glare and heat from direct sunlight. Long-term performance and maintenance. Because of the region's climate, even the best windows benefit from periodic maintenance. Cleaning weep holes, checking seals, and inspecting caulking annually help prevent water damage and maintain energy efficiency. Choosing windows with warranties that cover weather-related wear can also give added peace of mind. Bottom line. Colombia's humid subtropical climate demands windows that can handle high heat, heavy rain, and year-round humidity without sacrificing style or energy efficiency. By selecting durable materials, weather-resistant designs, and energy-saving features, homeowners can enjoy comfort, protection, and lower utility costs for years to come.